Hello, I am Tranace Alexander. I am a junior majoring in psychology at UL Lafayette, and we are members of Dr. Breaux's Cognition and Psycholinguistics Research Lab. We are dedicating this talk to Sydney Zielinski, who did much of the work for this project under the guidance of Psych 497 with Dr. Breaux. We are here to talk about the role of control in the meanings of in and on. Yes, the prepositions in and on. You might not know it, but these prepositions are polysemous. This means that they can be used to describe a wide variety of things, including literal spatial situations, such as the water is in the cup and the plate is on the table, as well as abstract metaphorical situations, such as Sam is in pain and Pat is on time. Some researchers have proposed that what allows us to use these prepositions in such different contexts is that the meanings of these words have a shared component. This shared component would be a part of the word's meaning that can be thought about in both a spatial and non-spatial way. There is both theoretical and empirical support for the idea that the concept of control might be this shared component for these prepositions. One thing we realized is that there are different types of control. Therefore, the current study was designed to test whether information about control feeds into the spatial meanings of in and on, when that control is provided as part of a spatial scene, and when that control refers to the degree to which a person believes they have control over the events that impact their life. We collected data from 114 college students who were primarily female. We only analyzed data from participants who completed the study and reported being native English speakers. Our survey was administered online via Qualtrics. It started with an informed consent, followed by some demographic questions. Then we presented participants with a series of photographs showing objects in other objects or objects on other objects. We had them identify the figures, usually the smaller objects, and the grounds, usually the larger objects. Then 3 other question types followed. The order of these questions was randomized across participants. We had figure control ratings, which got at the control provided in a spatial scene, naturalness, expectedness ratings, and semantic ratings. Then we asked our embodied control questions, which got at the degree to which a person believes they have control over the events that impact their life. We presented participants with both personal control items, such as I am responsible for my own success, and locus of control questions, such as I believe in the power of fate. So, did figure control ratings predict semantic ratings? Yes. A linear regression analysis showed that 31% of the variance in semantic ratings was predicted by figure control ratings, such that higher ratings of control were associated with in ratings and lower ratings of control were associated with on ratings. This finding serves as a replication for what Jamroznik and Gentner found for abstract metaphorical meanings using literal spatial meanings. It also provides additional support for control being a shared component that can be thought about in both a spatial and non-spatial way. What about participant responses on the personal control questionnaire? Did they significantly predict semantic ratings? No. What about participants' responses on the locus of control questionnaire? Did they significantly predict semantic ratings? Also, no. This suggests that the degree to which a person believes they have control over the events that impact their life does not have an influence on the spatial meanings of these prepositions. What we do not yet know is whether the finding is also true for abstract metaphorical uses. We hope to explore this possibility in future research. Thank you for listening. We appreciate your attention.